Good morning, students. Let's see second chapter of class 8A and B, working with layers in Animate CC 2019. Working with the layers in Animate. Animate is animations, where we can see nowadays animated movies, where you can see the cartoons. They all have use animations. Let us see the questions of chapter 2nd of class 8A and B. What do you understand by the term layers? Whenever we say layers, layers are different parts of any. So how we are having different layers in soil. Same way, layers are like sorts of transport paper arranged in a stack. So each layer is a separate things, but when you have a stack of layer, each with drawing on them, they can create an entire scope. For example, one can have work on and one layer without affecting the other layers. So whenever we say the layers are the various parts of any animated movies, and in that all layers can work individually. If we change one layer, does not affect other layer. Write short notes to lock and unlock the layers. So here we are going to see lock and unlock something, lock and unlock the layers. So for doing this, click lock or unlock all layers of the timeline panel. So here you first select the layers for unlock and lock. Then icon will appear right side of all layers name. So after selecting, the icon will appear right side of the layer. Now select the layer that you want to unlock and click on the lock icon. So here you can select either lock or unlock. In the same way, show or hide the layer. So through to display or hide any layer. So here again click to show or hide all layers from the timeline panel. So here again see, if you first select and then red cross icon appear on the right side of all layers name. Now select the layer that you want to show and click on the red cross icon. So here you click on the red cross icon. Third, how do you delete a layer? For delete a layer, select the layer and click delete from the timeline panel. Next, explain the masking in Animate. So whenever you say masking, the name of suggest means to conceal a part of content and reveal the limited portion of it. So here when masking in Animate, it displays the selected portion of an animate. Animate provides this feature to create hole. A mask item on the mask measure lips layer can be filled. An instance of the graphic symbol or movie. Next, what is onion skinning? So here onion skinning allows the user to view each part of the animation on multiple frames at the same time. By default, the selected frame are displayed in full color and remaining frames are dimmed out. Animate provides the onion skinning tools to view and control the position of the